Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this beautiful Range Rover Autobiography 4.4 V8 in Carpathian Grey. This car is next due for a service in April 2022 and has previously had only one owner. You have 22-inch diamond turned finish alloys, privacy glass to keep personal items more secure, a powered tailgate with plenty of space in the boot. And you do also have an electrically deployable tow bar, which can be controlled there. It's currently out, so if I press the button now, you will see it slowly start to fold away, so that when you're not using it, it's very discreet. And then to close the boot, you can either use that button or the one on your key, perfect if you've got your hands full. Going round and into the front, you also have keyless entry, so if I lock the car, I can open it just by pulling the handle as long as the key's nearby. Illuminated autobiography tread plates and a lovely leather interior, which is definitely easier to clean. A sliding panoramic roof, which is nice to open on a sunny day or just for a bit of fresh air. And you do also have a sun blind, which will pull all the way across if you wish. Cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. You have heated and cooled front seats, ideal for winter and summer. And you also have heated and cooled in the back, which ensures all passengers have a luxury journey and keeps everybody happy. Going back to the front, you also have massage seats, which is definitely a luxury to have. You have time climate, so in the winter you can set your car to be a certain temperature ready for when you're going to get in it. A 360-degree surround camera and also a normal rear view camera, which makes parking and reversing a lot easier, especially in a bigger vehicle. You can control your tow bar from inside the car, and you also have ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, and you can adjust the brightness or turn it off altogether. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, all helpful when driving along the motorway, and it also makes it safer. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must on a cold winter morning. Memory seats throughout the car. A Meridian sound system for good quality sound. This car has done 15,556 miles, and you also have head-up display, which enables you to keep your eyes on the road, and you can also adjust what you want to see in front of you, whether that's the brightness, the positioning, or the content that you can see. That all depends on your own preference, so you can personalise it to yourself. Stepping back outside the vehicle, you also have soft door close. So that was the Range Rover Autobiography. If you're interested in this stunning car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.